Good morning everyone, it's me Kavya and I'm back with another new video and it's currently 7:20 or 7:25 something and I decided to clean my room as it's totally mess. I apologize for not uploading video for like a month, but I always manage to upload a shorts like two shorts a month. Hope you guys watched it. So here I'm just arranging the things in the like the wooden box and I would place it there. So it's time to clean. By the way, my summer holidays started a week before and yeah, summer holidays, it's time to waste time. So I hope you guys doing the best. So it's time to mark how many hours I studied yesterday. Actually, I studied like 4 hours. No, like less than 4 hours. I'm sorry. I'm so satisfied that I have studied like 3 plus hours in summer holidays. Here I'm listing out the things I need to do today and it's not really that much. Decided to revise history and geography notes, and history is taken from online and geography is handwritten notes. I always prefer to take handwritten notes rather than doing it on tablet or taking it from online. So let's start the timer and study. First, I started to revise History Chapter 1. In my opinion, it's very complicated as it has more important dates, important characters, important years, and it's way too hard to memorize it. So I'm just revising day to day. Completed history, started with geography. As I come by some important points, I would do flashcard as well. Writing questions using black pen in front of the paper and I would write answers with blue pen at back side of the paper, and this is the basic way of making flashcards. There are many websites and online to make flashcards for free. You can use those online websites if you have no time to make flashcards at all. I had my breakfast and took a nap for like 30 minutes. So here I just started with civics and started making questions. It's currently 4 in the evening and I decided to make notes for physics.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about day, my beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서.
So today evening I went for stationery shopping and I bought things which are important for upcoming days. Blue pens are must, so I bought 2. This is a cute teddy bear pen, a normal black pen, a sharpener. I never seen these type of colored sharpener before. It's something like pastel, like that. A Fevicol necessary for assignments. And I bought a canvas too for painting. Actually, I already made one painting on canvas. So this is that one. Actually, I made this painting for national level competition. If results announced, I would say that too. You can clearly say that it's gonna be 11 in the night. This is the first time in my life that I had been still awake till night, that is 11 o'clock. Actually, me and my mom are waiting for my sister to come. Actually, I got a little scared as I'm the only person in the upstairs and I thought of studying, but I didn't. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video.